What's up, guys? It's your boy Lamar back at you with another episode of I Might Be Fishing. I'm glad you're here. Now, if it's your first time here, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and you might as well go ahead and hit that like button, because I'm going to tell you something you can probably use in your everyday fishing escapades. So it's fall. Summer's over. I'm in Central Texas, so I'm welcoming the cooler weather, and of course, with that, cooler water. So the patterns are changing. What you might have been using to catch fish during summertime may not be working, and that's exactly the case for me right now with the fall transitioning. So of course, I like to focus on bait fish, mostly minnows, shad, anything that's gonna be in abundance. And a lot of times you'll see bass chasing shad. So that's gonna be the focus for me most of the fall. But I do really pretty much trash fish right now just to see what the bass actually want. It's impossible, of course, to just pick a bait and it just magically works. So I usually work my progression through a couple different baits, and that's what you're gonna see in this video. Of course, I'm gonna be fishing a couple of different items just to see what the fish react to, just to see if we can get consistently on a bite. So yeah, man, I'm not gonna talk a whole bunch. I'm glad you're here. Again, make sure you subscribe. Let's go fishing. Not terrible. He's short. Oh yeah, decent fish, man. I could be on the couch. Thanks for playing. Little guy. Chill out. Little guy. I'm about playing. Not a bad fish. All right, let's go. A 3-pounder. Texas rig. Old monster. Proves itself again. That's what you want right there. Gave him a nose piercing. All right, buddy. Let me get you back in the water. Thanks for playing. You dig? Look at that hook. Look at that hook. Barely hooked him. Ridiculous. Solid fish, guys. Solid fish. Yes, sir. Look at that one. It's a nice fish. Far even. All right, guys, I appreciate you guys watching, especially those who watched the whole way through. Listen, man, if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that like, and hit that notification bell so you know when I drop new videos, baby. So, yeah, this is fall fishing, man. I hope you can take a little bit of what I did today, apply it to your fishing experience. Hopefully, it gets you some fish on the bank or in the boat. As always, man, it's been a pleasure. Make sure you lock in with us, guys. We're going to be going hard for 2025. So I Might Be Fishing. We got a lot of things going. So stick with us. Those who've been here from the start, I love you guys and I appreciate you and I love the fishing community. Until next time, it's your boy Lamar here at I Might Be Fishing.